Good day and good beauty, illuminators and wayshowers. Thanks for joining me once again as I share with all of you all of the things that are popping up in the garden. Livismashiana eti Vespasia Eshinakile Simona. Thank you once again for joining my multidimensional me expressions of all that is. Yes, Shinaki. Sevismasia ti Inshiniporianda. It is a divine honor to have you along with me taking these steps along my journey. I'm going to grab some water. And I've got my little bag here. I've got some watermelon seedlings and my gloves and some other seeds in here. Heading back down to the garden to finish up my watering for the day and planting a few more seeds. So thank you for planting seeds for yourselves and remembering that words are things, thoughts are things. What we say becomes. Naveso, Nayamena Vekatopiana, and T. Shotokuya Marivesana. Ele Zamasamiki Shaniti. Kive sono sivisimaniasa satiano ashakatiana da tito kukua. Ponizia machiniti izumoto. Kotombro ke jina savisimati inki samasari. Lahina ino maniva katabayana da biki shondo kungoya me. Alali mami mia hineki. So what seeds of manifestations are we planting? The seeds of our words, the seeds of our thoughts. What are we planting? Are we planting what we enjoy eating? Or are we planting things that will to be left unattended and grow wild? Without our focus and attention. Allowing more and more of the things that we do not prefer by not focusing on that which we do. And of course, seeing the ultimate perfection in each and every moment, and perfect doesn't always mean preferable. Perfect means perfect. Perfect means what we put out is what we get back, and everything is a perfect reflection of that vibration. Everything. That's what perfect is. So every moment is perfect in its own way because it's always going to be perfectly reflecting. The question is it perfectly reflecting what we prefer or not prefer? And how does our focus and consciousness and seeds of thoughts and desires and, how are we planting those? And what? Again, what are we planting? Oh my God, it smells so good here, you guys. It smells so good and green. And because of this mashineki is shenekungoi me meahananite so somosote. Kino bosamashanati ila samasiana kite. I hama ite. So thank you, B, for once again being a part of, the wonder of my world. Of Wendy's world, and if there's any way that I can be of service to you, whether it's light language activations, sound immersion, the oracle, asking our guides what messages we can glean from the oracle, from the light codes that I've been receiving, being downloaded and sharing for as long as I've been guided, and allowing those to once again reform the synapses in our brains that we can process the connections with our higher minds more fully, more completely with our guides, and how that can translate into a more peaceful life of confidence, joy, happiness, enthusiasm, inspiration, Fear is paralyzing. Negative belief systems are paralyzing. They keep us, they prevent us from shining and then sharing our shine. And would I really want this to all be done in a day? No. We came here for the challenge and the process. We came here to plant the seeds and watch them grow. We are already a spiritual being able to do absolutely everything at the thought. As soon as it's as soon as it's thought, it's done. So we came here for digging in the dirt, doing the hard work, doing the watering, doing the shoveling. That's what we came here for. And I'm reminded this every single day myself. So is everything the way I want it? I'm always wanting more. And we are always, that's what humans are. We are always going to want more. That is, we came for something more and something more and something more and something more. That's why we came. That's why we not came. That's why our consciousness is focusing itself in that very little moment, in that pinpoint. But yet our spiritual self is all there and is all encompassing and is all ubiquitous. And it always is. It's just, this is a focus to share with all that is. So learning more and more about all that we are, and every one of us facilitating that for each other and reflecting that to each other is the purpose. We get to provide the meaning. There's our grapes. The grapes we started and are still growing in there, thank heavens. And these red ants, I'll tell you what, man, one red ant bite, it'll send you. It creates an immediate bump and owie and hurts and itches, and they do not like to be disturbed. And we've discovered from the Navajo that disturbing an anthill is in no one's best interest, and that they have a very, very special job. And I know I've shared this before in a video or two before, but I say that because I made the mistake of laying my hose down on the anthill, and boy, I'll tell you what, I picked it up and oh boy, just one little bite, and it was like, oh my gosh, and it was on my pinky. So anyway, yeah, it's about respecting all that we don't understand. Nalima Tambadin take a so Sapitin Dari Shinakariamarasa Sabitikiana Satavishanoda. Okay, guys, woo. So Vivashana Kiana is a Vasa eti. And you know, it's funny, I was just thinking about the term, you know, Rome wasn't built in a day, but yet if nothing's linear, it exists and always has existed, and everything is in that now moment, yet our Rome isn't built in a day. We didn't come here to build stuff in a day, or, you know, or even in, you know, we came here to build stuff for a lifetime. The Vesmasiata, putting together a beautiful, beautiful movie with all of the characters, the goods, the bads, the antagonists, the protagonists, the stories. We are the stories of Source. So thank you for sharing your stories of Source with me as I share my stories of Source with all of you through all of the languages that I am. Mayami tengi shanasera ate samati. Oh, if you could just smell the beauty here. Mishama Natayandoku. This brings me such elevation and joy. Mantinga, every tiny little, every little thing. Nashimi Tingaya Sanasa Pasura Vishnata. Avasana. Akotoki Mbembe Taishanoto. Everything is Every tiny thing is a big thing, and every big thing is a tiny thing. Buona, grandissimo sufficiency. Okay, well, time to get a planting, you guys. Shenaseve simosa eva naya nala lima inke ki jonosoma. So thank you for reminding me too every day that my words and thoughts are seeds that grow. Whatever I focus on, whatever we focus on, grows. Where thoughts go, energy flows. Allow yourselves to see your thoughts grow. Navite, Eliana, Akito Savashana, Mahia, Taki, Layana. You are loved beyond measure.